What's up guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, we are not on the KLX today. We are inside the Corvette. I talked about a Corvette video coming soon, and today's that day, but it's not totally about the Corvette. Filmed this video about a week ago for a time where I wouldn't be able to get on the KLX and make a video riding. So basically that day I got bored and I wanted to head to the motorcycle dealer to look at some bikes. So, a couple of the bikes, I looked at a ZX14R and the Husqvarna Svartpillen 401. And you guys will have to see what I talk about, and of course, having fun in the Corvette. I hope you enjoy the video. I know it's a little bit of a change of pace, not the usual motovlog, but still fun. I had a blast making it. And if you guys want to see anything here with the Corvette, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think of the bikes that I want to go see at the dealer. Let me know if you guys think it would be cool if we had those bikes on the channel. Of course, the more bikes the better, the more cars the better, and yeah, it just makes for fun content. So let me know what you think of the video down below and all those other things I just told you about, and I'll see you guys here in a sec. What's up guys, we are in the Corvette today, not on the KLX. As you can see, it is raining outside, so sometimes it can be a little difficult to make KLX videos in the rain. So I want to start bringing back some of the Corvette content. Enjoy making videos with the Corvette too. So if you're new here, supercharged Corvette, full exhaust, dynoed at 580 wheel horsepower. And this is my smile machine. Anytime I get in it, got a stupid little grin on my face. Turn down this Led Zeppelin here so we don't get copyright. But yeah, this is what I do when I'm not riding the KLX. So today we're gonna go ahead and head to one of my local motorcycle dealers and gonna look at a few potential future motorcycles. A couple of them that would be great to have on the channel. So yeah, I'm just out here in the Corvette doing errands. Maybe this will be in a motovlog, maybe this will be a separate video by itself, but we'll see. So see you guys when I get there.
Next right.
Oh, shut up. Provides you with less traction for awesome fun in the car. So even though the rain, you know, sometimes put a damper on things, still makes for great fun if you're an automotive guy. Alright guys, we are here at the dealer. For some of you local guys, it's Motorsport Hillsboro. So we're gonna go inside here and see if we can find what we're looking for. Doesn't look too busy as expected on a rainy day, so alright guys, here we go inside. I don't want to be too loud in the dealer, so I'll probably shoot some cinematic stuff of what I'm looking at, and if I get the chance, I'll talk to you guys about this stuff as well.
Sometimes I got these ugly thoughts up in my mind. I got that angel and the devil by my side. Ask me how I'm doing, bitch, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing fine. I'ma make them all believe before I die, yeah. I'm the king of all this shit, I swear that I am. Say I'm such a fucking critic, I know I am. I know that. Yeah, I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest, bitch. See my competition, they just don't fit that niche. You can try to.
So, Husqvarna Svartpillen 401. There's a Duke 790 there. So one of those would be cool. Allow me to expand my riding radius a bit. Let's see. This is another 790. I would like a 390 to do a scrambler, but I would much prefer the Husqvarna being that it's made in Austria. Here's a FE 450. This would be nice too. Good price there. Alright, now we're gonna look for a ZX14. Oh wait, here's an RC390. These are cool. So no new ZX14s. I'm supposed to have a used one, but can't find it. Hopefully it's out here, and they still have it. ZX6R, Hondas. Alright, so there's ZX14s in the warehouse. I am following somebody down there to go and look at it. I've already looked at that Svartpillen, or however you pronounce it, 401. So I'll talk to you guys about that later, but let's check out the ZX14, hopefully get a couple shots, and report back to you guys. Alright, so got to look at that ZX14. There was a ZX14 and ZX14R. The R is what I'd be interested in. And it was new. I didn't want to film inside there because that's their like private warehouse. So I didn't get shots of that, but I got some shots from the main dealership, so that should be in this video. I kind of like that Husqvarna Svartpillen 401. I'll just call it the Husqvarna 401 for ease of talking. So anyways, that would be really cool. Maybe 1,000 subscribers, new bike for the channel. That 401 is really tempting because some of the stuff that's further out from where I live is open dirt roads, and that 401 would be perfect for that. ZX14R would of course be great for like a drag bike, which I've talked about before. And so yeah, I see myself within the next year hopefully getting that 401 and hopefully that Tenere 700. That would be a great trio there, the KLX, the 401, and the Tenere. We'll see how things go because you never know what the future has in store for you. But yeah, so I was bored today. It was raining earlier, now it's not, but the roads are still wet. So I'm in the Corvette, just having some fun. Going to the dealership, looking at motorcycles, doing anything motor related. Of course, you guys know JH Motor Club, that's what I do. So now we'll have a nice drive back into town here, and we'll see if we can't get some good shots driving. And yeah, maybe I'll talk to you guys some more when I get back. Alright, here we are at a red light, right lane ends. Got this van next to me. Shouldn't be too hard to get in front of him. But of course, got to be extra and get off the line quick on the green, like we're drag racing. Just got to modulate that throttle and launch hard. So we'll see on the green. But of course, this is on the street, so got to look both ways. Don't want to jump into the intersection too quick because there's always someone who runs that red light, and if you jump out on that green light, it's not going to end well. Ooh, nice blue 392 Charger there. I forgot to film it, but there was like a 73 Charger at that warehouse of the dealership. It was pretty cool. It was yellow, but I like the 70s better. Yeah, we got some traction issues, but who said that wasn't fun? I hope you guys have been enjoying the video. In some of this heavier rain, when we do get it, it's kind of hard to film a KLX video other than just going to a little spot by my house where I can mess around. But since I have this car, I can also mess around and make some fun videos for you guys when it is raining. So I'd like to strike a good balance between the KLX videos and the Corvette videos. Use the resources I got, because whichever one I'm on or in, motorcycle or car, always puts a smile on my face. Whether it's trying to do wheelies, going off-road, stepping on the gas, going fast, accelerating hard, whatever it may be. It's always fun, and that's what it's about. Alright, so I'm stuck at this light here, so I figured I would just talk to you guys now. The lines on that 401 look really cool. I like the retro styling. I know some people don't, but I think it looks really cool. Seems that's kind of the trend now. Whether it be cars, somewhat cars, it's always kind of been a trend in cars, you know, building off design elements from the past, you know, the Mustang, the taillights, you know, paying tribute to older designs. But motorcycles now, you're kind of seeing that design aspect where it's kind of becoming more retro and classic. Another reason why I like the 401 is I thought about doing like a 390 Duke Scrambler when I sold my Ninja, but instead I put that money into the KLX. But I wanted to get some sort of Scrambler. I thought about the FZ07, but now that I saw that this Husqvarna basically comes from the factory as a Scrambler, I think that would be great. And do another build on one of those, be able to go off-road and on-road, and do a little bit better on the highway than the KLX. We got some wheel spin. Started again. Sound never gets old. Alright guys, we are back home here, so I hope you guys enjoyed a little change of pace, like I said, here inside the Corvette. Brought you guys along for, you know, just having fun, got bored, and along for the ride. But what are you guys' thoughts? ZX14, I've talked about that in a few videos before about the drag bike, but that Husqvarna 401, I think that would be really cool. And then of course the Tenere 700 that's coming out later next year, so that's in the future. Let me know what you guys think about the Corvette stuff, anything you'd like to see with the Corvette, and your thoughts on the bikes that I showed you guys today. They were pretty cool. Like I said, just got bored. Gotta find something to do, have some fun. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share the video to those who may enjoy it, subscribe if you are not already, and with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I stand 10 toes down.